Okay guys, this is a walking tour of my hometown, Bayonne, New Jersey, for all you real Jersey guys and gals. New Jersey, yes, this is Broadway, and it's like the main thoroughfare, the main street in Bayonne. Kind of like Broadway in New York, right? Haha. But got a lot of nice stores. A lot of chocolate shops. Guys like chocolate shops, ice cream shops are moving in. I've noticed that lately. Coming up is a pet spa, groomers, for pets. For your dogs, your cats, your ocelots, your ferrets, whatever. Right here. Right, yeah. Doggy spa, there you go. It's the doggy spa. That's right. And here comes Pokeball. Never tried it yet. I should, I really should. It is Polynesian, Hawaiian, like meat, fruit, and rice bowls. So it's pretty good, I love my Chinese and Japanese, so why not? And they got bubble tea. Bubble tea. Let's see the special drink here. They don't have a full menu. Alright, part 2 coming up. Alright guys, I'm trying to get the most exciting, I guess, as much as possible, places and things. A Firestone. Bridgestone, Firestone. So what's the difference? It's Bridgestone and it's Firestone. Okay. And then we've got a bakery. Polanto. I don't go in there much. I guess once maybe. Not much at all. Let's see. Got a Mendoza restaurant coming up on the right here. We have got let's see, Spanish American Citizens Club. That's like Sicilian, like Italian. You got the Sicilian or the Italian. This is the Spanish American Citizens Club. There you go. It's closed. A lot of times you'll see the guys outside, and they'll be on the bench right here. So what else do we have? Let's see. Coming up more. It's a nice day. It's kind of hot. It's kind of humid, but going up to 92. Cold cut sandwiches. There we go. There we go. Got a cute dog here. Little dog. Discount store. Yummy, yummy Chinese. They make good Chinese pizza. Guys, ever had Chinese pizza? It's good. Call it scallion or green onion pizza too. Got a mart here. Pretty cool mart. Going up into the heart of Broadway. Now this is a great pizzeria, San Vito, yes. Very good. Highly recommended. I love this eagle. Take a look. Yeah, that's great. A Spanish restaurant here. Very cool. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Volcano. That's some hot eats over there. And here's the chocolate lovers, as I said. A lot of them opening up around my way. So here we go. This is the end. And we'll do it. Oh, it's a test. It was a test. We'll do it again another time, all right? See you guys. Take it easy.
Here's the best sci-fi on YouTube.
On a sci-fi guy, of course.